You're lucky you didn't get suspended for not wearing your uniform today, Rain. Yeah, Veneice, I know, I just get sick of it. It feels like they are trying to make us all robots or something. I know. So what should we do tonight? My mom is at my aunt's, nobody home and it's Friday. Yes. That's awesome, Veneice. Let's see, we are going ghost hunting on Tuesday night, when you stay at my house, and... I don't know, I'm still not sure about going, that's pretty scary. Oh come on, we have all that ghost hunting stuff, and we have never went. Okay, that's true, just promise me you won't scare me. Okay, I promise. Great. Ghost hunting on Tuesday, and now for tonight, at your house.
Don't you think that was hilarious?
Sorry, I wasn't really paying attention to the TV.
Well, the commercial said, if we buy the pens and wear them, that we can go out to eat, swimming, and even ride on the back of a motorcycle.
Well, fuck. Let's go get some. I wonder if your granny does all that stuff when she has her depends on her panties on.
Hey, Granny, come out here.
What are you two little bitches in here laughing about?
Granny, are you able to swim and ride motorcycles? Since you've been wearing those depend panties.
What? Don't you ever ask me stupid questions like that, you little bitches. My panties are my personal stuff, and I can give you something to depend on. And that's my fist up your high knee. If you ever ask me a question like that again, you get your asses upstairs right now.
Wow, she must have 2 pair of depends on to jump like that.
Run! Go! Hurry up!
Wait!
Wow! I have never seen Granny that mad before.
I thought she was gonna kill us.
I know. I will never ask about her panties again. We can't help that it's funny.
OS, TS Potter is over 100 years old, some come from India, and others from Pakistan.
Well, answer me. What do you want for the Harley here? I want to ride it home now.
Well, ma'am, perhaps you are, a boy,